A completely new type of business is being created right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. But small brands are starting to realize something. They don't need expensive photo shootings anymore to create high-quality marketing content. AI is changing the entire content production industry. Think about how product photography used to work. You needed camera setup, lighting, studio space, physical products, and many more. And every time a brand wanted new content, they had to repeat the process all over again. Now compare to this: one person, one laptop, one good prompting system. That's it. You can create ads, product visuals, banners, social media campaigns, brand concepts faster than ever before. And this is where most people completely misunderstand AI image generation, because this is not about making random AI art. The real opportunity is becoming part of a company's marketing pipeline, because businesses constantly need visuals. Constantly, every week, every launch, every campaign. And most small brands are terrible at content creation, and hiring traditional agencies is very expensive. That creates a massive opportunity, because if you can create visuals that look professional, you solve a real business problem. And solving business problems is where money is made. And honestly, I think we're only seeing the beginning of this shift, because AI isn't just changing how images are created, it's changing how the entire creative industry works. In the future, many brands probably won't even need massive production teams for every campaign anymore. Instead of shipping products, renting studios, hiring photographers, waiting weeks for edits, brands will be able to create and test ideas almost instantly. They can try different colors, different packaging, different ad concepts, all generated in hours instead of weeks. And the people who understand how to create these visuals early will be in a very powerful position, because this isn't just about AI anymore. This is about the future of digital marketing itself. So the problem is, most AI images still look very fake, and that's why prompting matters so much. The difference between beginner AI content and professional AI branding is usually lighting, composition, materials, camera feel, and prompt structure. In my opinion, the smartest people won't sell AI images. They will build AI-powered creative service businesses, because brands don't buy images, they buy attention, marketing, conversions, better branding, better content. And that's why businesses are willing to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for visuals. And honestly, I think we're still pretty early. Most businesses still don't fully understand what's possible yet, which means the people learning the skill now are in a very strong position. So let me quickly show you how I would create a luxury AI brand visual like this. The first thing you need to understand is luxury visuals are mostly about feeling. It's not about the product itself. So before I even start prompting, I think about what should the image feel like. Should it be minimal, warm, premium, modern, natural? And then I start building the prompt around that feeling. For example, the lighting, the camera lens, the materials, the colors, the composition, the background, the product placement. All of these small details completely change the final results. And over time, I built my own prompting system to create these kinds of visuals more consistently. And if you want to have over 28 ready-to-use prompts and the workflow I use, I linked everything below. But even if you never buy anything, start learning this skill right now, because businesses are already paying for it. I personally use ChatGPT 2.0 for most of my visuals. You can take your prompt and put it into ChatGPT. You should also write the aspect ratio into the prompt. After your image is generated, you can download it directly from ChatGPT or tell it to change something. This also works really well in ChatGPT. For the ending of this video, I want to tell you something. Most people use AI for entertainment, but the biggest opportunities usually come from the people using new technology to solve real business problems. And this is what I wanted to show you in this video. You can also get my free prompt I used in this video right now in the video description, so you can start right away. And thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next one.